Hey, what's going on guys, Kryptonic HD here, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how you can make your webcam go from looking like this to looking like this. So if you guys do end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. But anyways guys, let's get straight into the video. So we're going to be hopping over to my desktop so that we can show you guys what you guys need to make any webcam start looking much better. So right here you guys can see that I have on Amazon looked up lighting, and now what I want you guys to think about is, what do most streamers have that makes every situation so much better? And that is lighting. Lighting is extremely important. A lot of the times people do not realize that lighting can make a difference that is just monstrous overall. A lot of times people will get a camera, they'll get a webcam, they'll try out their phone, and they're like, this camera really sucks. And it's not that the camera sucks, it's just that the camera has a sensor, and that sensor needs a certain amount of light for it to produce a good looking picture. So going back to Amazon right here, we can see that there are a lot of cheap options, and honestly a lot of these are literally that easy. You just buy them, set them up, and you're good to go. So we're going to be looking at these right now because these are similar to what I have set up right now, and that is basically the whole point of this video. So you get two lights, which I only have one, which is very unfortunate. You get a diffuser on them, which is really good because a diffuser makes basically lighting not kill you. So as you can see it on this wall, it just diffuses everything for you, making it just that much easier, and it comes with a little stand. So if you guys are trying to get the most amount of lighting and perfect lighting, I don't have perfect lighting. If you guys can't see, I have kind of shadows here and there, and that is because I only have one light coming in from my right side. So if I had a light coming in from my left side, it would make it perfect so that there wouldn't be any shadows and I would be lit up both ways. But since I only have one light, I'm only using one light, which does cause a little bit of a shadow, but honestly I don't mind it too much. And now over here we're going to be looking at photography studio lights, which are a lot brighter and they come in umbrellas and everything. And as you guys can see, I purchased this October 20th 2017. And now the thing to keep in mind with this is that yes, they're really good lights, yes, they work really well, but these lights do take up a lot of room, which I wasn't really prepared for. So these umbrellas are pretty huge, so if you have room for it, fantastic. They light up really well. They light up green screens really well, just as seen here. It's really good overall for a professional environment. But if you're just kind of in a tight little corner like me, then something like this is something that you have to consider very thoroughly, because you never know, and it's just something you got to keep in mind. That's why these little lights are always going to be, in my opinion, a little bit better, and a lot of the times they have a little knob that'll allow you to control them, so it just makes everything so much easier. And like I said, for $33, if you have a $50 webcam, you add $33, you're still under $100, and you get a pretty good looking webcam like this. Right now, this is my Logitech C920, and for what was it, like the 30 bucks I paid for it on sale, this is not a bad webcam to be recording on. Now if you had the Brio or something else like the 4K webcam, this would be a completely different conversation, because you would look really good in lighting because it can go all the way up to 4K, whereas this one is limited to 1080p 30 FPS. But adding in the light does make it way more convenient to record videos and things like that. Now my main point overall for this video is that lighting is super duper important, and you guys should definitely figure out whether you want a little light like mine or whether you want full studio light, something like this, and figure it out early, because no matter what you do, if you don't have good lighting, honestly, if you have a good camera, even with a good sensor, it's still going to look a little bit blurry here and there, and it's not going to be a great experience when you can just invest and start buying these things ahead of time. If you're thinking about recording videos, if you're thinking about streaming, doing anything like that, so I would say start buying little things like lighting, a tripod, little things like that. And then once you buy your webcam, get everything going, you're going to look professional, and you're not going to just be another low quality stream, which it does suck that a lot of people do have lower quality streams, but at least now ahead of time, and you're able to fix all these little things, because I honestly like helping people out with all these things, because at the end of the day, me helping you out doesn't benefit me in any possible way, but it benefits overall the Twitch community, and it elevates that quality to go up a little bit higher, which I think is really good overall. But anyways, if you guys did end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. Let me know down below what you guys want to see next. I have a really insane video coming. Since I have a broken finger and I'm trying to figure out how to record it and all, this is really exciting to me. But it's going to be a really cool alternative involving GeForce Now and one PC, 2 gamers. So I'll just leave it at that. But anyways guys, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you guys next time. Peace guys.